So here's how you would make a PNG file. So first you're going to plot your CAD file to a PDF as usual. Once you have your PDF, you open it up and then just simply do a File, Save As. And I'm just going to save it in my temp folder and then change the file type. Instead of a PDF, you're going to select PNG. Then hit save. And so that's the basic first conversion to a PNG. And so that's going to include the entire title block and everything. And so if that's all you need, then you're done. If you need to crop the title block because you want to insert it into your sheet with a different page number, here's what you'll do. Open Paint and then go ahead and browse for that PNG file that we just made. So I'm just going to go into my temp folder and click that PNG that I just made and hit open. Now it's going to open really large, which is what you want because that ensures the quality. So you don't want to resize it and you do not want to scale it. All you're going to do is reduce the view. So go down here to this lower right corner and zoom out. So reduce and reduce until you can see the entire sheet. Usually it is about 15 or 12%. Okay. Then you go to your selection window. And then now you'll have your little crosshair. So now you can crop the area that you want to keep. So go ahead and make your window within the title block. And then hit crop. And now it would delete the title block and then just hit save from here. And so that's the only way to do it without sacrificing quality. And that's it. And so it will be saved in the same folder, same file name, unless you do a save as and you want to change it to something else at this time. And that is it.